మారు కలిసిన అందం అలలాగ ఎగిసిన కాలం.
Hey guys, what's up? This is Abhi Crazy from Signma Reactions. Hope you're doing good. So welcome back to my channel. Please ensure that you are subscribing to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon. So yes, today is a special event for us. It's the sensational actor and the blockbuster Gajini, the Surya, the greater actor, Surya's birthday today. So I wish you a very happy birthday from Signma Reactions and team. And my love, Veera. So she also loves you a lot, and she just wanted to say you happy birthday to you. And I think Surya is a very wonderful actor. I think the South sensation and the man of humbleness and simplicity. He don't go into any gossips or he don't go into any the criticisms and that and all. So he's a dutiful daddy, the chocolate boy who stole the heart of every woman, and the dynamic personality, I can say. So he's wonderful, and he's very beautiful, and he's very smart enough. So let's not waste the time, and let's watch. We have some Surya birthday special mashup 2020 created by Jaya TV. Okay, so let's watch it first, then we'll come back. Let's start the show. Sixth sense.
சூர்யா இனிமே ஆடாம இருந்தா நல்லா இருக்கும். அவருக்கும் கஷ்டமா இருக்கு, எங்களுக்கும் அதை சினிமால பாக்குற கஷ்டமா இருக்கு. அது வேண்டாம், வேற ஏதாவது கேரக்டர் பண்ணிட்டா பெட்டரா இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு ஒரு பத்திரிகையில் எழுதுனாங்க.
സൂര്യ തമിഴ്നാടനല്ല, മലയാളികളുടെ നടനാണ്.
நான் திரும்ப வருவேன் எதிர்பார்க்கல, அதுவும் இப்படி வருவேன் எதிர்பார்க்கல. தன்னை தானே
நமச்சா ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு.
செய்ய முடியாது.
ரொமான்டிக் மூடுக்கு வரல.
Oh my god.
செஞ்சுக்குள் பெய்திடும்
The sensational topic song.
நீருக்குள் மூழ்கிடும் தாமரை, சற்றென்று மாறுது வானிலை.
Baba. It's an awesome song. Hats off.
பண்ண மாதிரி ஒரு பொண்ணை நான் பார்த்ததில்லை. I just want to let you go. அதனால தான் சொல்லி ஆகணும். I'm in love with you.
இதுதான் நீ பல வருஷம் முன்னாடி சொல்லிட்டியே, புதுசா ட்ரை பண்ணு.
நம்ம இப்ப அப்படியே வேற ட்ராக்.
Surya, you're so awesome, Surya.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. எப்படி மச்சா, எப்படி பாசிபிள் உங்களுக்கு அது இன்னும் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் வேரியேஷனில் அது அப்படி ஐ டோன்ட் நோ லைக் ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. ஃப்ரம் பாட்டம் ஆஃப் மை ஹார்ட் ஐ எம் டெல்லிங் யூ, ஐம் ரியலி a big fan of you, and in Telugu also people love you a lot. Okay, keep doing your best, and it's wonderful actually. It's so awesome. I really love you. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. I know this much only Tamil. Please forgive me if there are any mistakes. And coming to this Surya, his original name is Surya Sivakumar, and Surya Sivakumar Saravanan, the popular Tamil actor who turned 44 today. And Surya and Jyotika, I think they were acted in more than 7 films, and in 2006 they got married, and they have 2 kids as well. So Surya's debut movie was Nerukku Ner, which was he shared his screen space with Vijay as well, Vijay Talapati. So for both these guys, I think that's the stage where these people landed into the cinema industry. And Surya is but the film didn't go that well, but yes, his dancing skills and that mocked by many. And coming to the other point, like so Surya is today one of the bankable actors in Tamil industry, and has risen to fame because of his performance oriented roles. Yes, obviously I agree with that. And however, from then he also worked in some of the great films, and which he has portrayed some spectacular roles. So after Nerukku Ner, and so in 2005 he got a blockbuster Gajini movie, in which he acted as a patient suffering from anterograde amnesia. So this was blockbuster movie in Tamil and in Telugu industry as well. And after that, he rose to stardom with a dual role of father and a son in Gautam Menon's semi anti-biographical Varanam Airam, Surya son of Krishnan. So that was a very fantastic movie. Songs were న్యూయార్క్ నగరం నిదరోయు బేలానే ఉంటారై. It was a fantastic song from that's movie. What for today. And yeah, so happy birthday to you, Surya Garu, from myself and from my love Veeranagamma Bogula. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Signing off, this is Abhi Crazy.